Hey, it's me, Robert. Got my new bed in the mail. It's supposed to be a whole twin size mattress in here, 8 inches thick. Let's see how that works. That's cool. Alright. Coming here to you live, remote, from the land of shattered hopes and broken dreams. Just moved in. It's a really cool place. Got all my friends here, like Justin, Amber, Keith, and Sean, Jared, Chris, Sarah, Riasia, Killa, Teresa, Bishop are all here.
What about?
If you'd like to step into our studio and be part of our...
Oh shit, you got one stand and everything.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of phone do you have, Robert?
Professional, brother.
Is that one of those government phones?
Government phone chat. G-U-M-E-N-T. Government.
No, I said government.
Yeah. You know how you spell it?
No. I have to talk first.
Still here with us?
And through the instructions away, that must be where the combination to get in is, so we're just going to have to wing it. Hi. Okay. Always put your knife in a safe place. See no pain?
The iron is to successful challenge the grand jewel and they will always be compromised. By turn, the power nature of the hand is carefully the influence of either the heart or brand.
This is like a DVD. They wrap it up in such a way to where you can't steal it in the store. Here comes Jared. Jared, you're on camera.
Excuse me.
This is how we open up a bed in a box. I don't know if you can see. Lucy? Come. Come. Say hi. Lucy. Okay, so here we go. Whole twin size bed out of this box. Look out, Lucy! 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have use and care guide. Tells you how to use the mattress first. You go to the wishing well saloon and find somebody that you like. And you don't want to insult the person by having a huge mattress, so we're going to give them the bonus package and have a brand new mattress for you here, baby. few inches, just like a 2 inches thick. All strung up here in this airtight bag. It's already starting to pop out of it on its own. Okay. It's like popcorn. They get mad, but he doesn't. Remember, this was supposed to be 8 inches thick. So, now I gotta get the plastic off before it's too small to remove.
But it doesn't make you the iron fist.
That's raining.
You're unwavering. Destroy the head.
There you have it. An 8-inch thick mattress. It says it takes 24 to 48 hours or 72 hours to fully expand. But yeah, I can sleep on it tonight if I want to. And that and here is complete twin size mattress. Looks pretty good, looks pretty comfortable. Good for the price. This is the box that came in. Ooh!
So he has more than just a leg.
And that's how to take a mattress out of bed in a box.